Hey guys, update. We're now at SM. In the middle of the store. Galing. At tayo mag-grocery. Nice timing. We'll see if may stocks sila. Dami nagtitrend, ubos na yung stocks. Anyway. Oh my god, Pulley and Bear. Imagine. Wait, yung silver. Nasaan na yun? Ito. Oh my god, especially silver. Oh, damn. Hala. What do you think? Is it a yes or a no? Pero large na to, oh. Or the green one. Bagal ko na rin gusto magka-green. Cute. May bagong SM. Okay, power bank. Tayo sa ano lang, mura. 700 yun. Ganda na lang white. White or black. May 700, 1K. Yes, we got it. Ang cute din nito. Especially yung mga ano, yung packels. Break time tayo guys. Bokoshi and bread. Dapat Xiaomi pero out of stock. Lol. Oh, so may Medjibit. Wala, ang cute. Dagdag height. Magkano? Walang price.
Wala. 4745.
Okay. Yummers!
Sinasabi sa akin yung parang if I see the word.
Outfit of the day. Eh, okay lang kili. Ito naman na yapon. Okay, we're done eating lunch at Contis. Guys, sobrang init. We're at Nuvali, Soledad 1. Guys, parang very wrong nag-sweater tayo. Nag-sweatpants. Ang init. Lord. Okay guys, we're here. Meanwhile, Ite, where you at? Ite, hey, bye-bye. See you again soon. Okay guys, we're at Nike and guess what? Halos wala ng laman. And itong gusto ni Mother. Lord. Lord sobra. Feeling athlete. Ano na?
Pero parang kasya sa akin.
Sa lahat ng shoes nakita ko, ito lang yung maganda. For me, since Jordan. Isa pa to. Air Force 1. Black and white. Ito gusto ko din collection. Kahit hindi tayo player. Transaction successful. And gusto nila din ng ganito. We're now at 158 and una ko nakita almost 4K. From 7,000 something. Okay, gusto ko ulit ng Superga. Pero same price pa rin, hindi sale. Oh my god, I have white and blue and black. Pero sobrang luma na nila. I need a new one. We're now at H&M and I saw this sandal. Kung ako nakita ay sa Zara and meron na silang natong style din. How much? 500. Gray sweater. I want one. Although, wala siyang print. Yay! Transaction successful! Meanwhile, nag-crave ulit ng milk tea. Finally, order is complete. Time to eat. We're done eating! After ilang weeks, nakapag-ipon nyari din. At saka nga pala, concert ko bukas. Guys, punta kayo sa concert bukas. Concert ko. We're now at supermarket and crave again ng ice cream. Kissing cream. Kaya pala Disney. Disney. Hala, ang ganda ng denim jacket. Cow prints. And may issue sa likod. Yummers! Let's eat lunch. Actually, late lunch na. SNR. Yes, got our orders. Finally, let's eat. Okay guys, ending. Puro tinapay. Matinapay pa. Pero, oh, take out. Nasarap pa lang ako ng slide sa chowder. Dati ang sarap-sarap. Anyway. Meanwhile, since na-crave tayo, oh, siomai. Meanwhile, yummies. Okay, we're now inside and going for yema. Ah, may mix pala. Finally, daming stock dito sa Rob Grocery. May iced coffee pala sila. We're now at SNR for dinner. Mukhang masarap yung patty. Let's try. Guys, ending. Parang medyo hindi satisfied. Typical patty and typical chicken. Guys. Anyway, tawid gutom. Yummy! Ice cream! Finally, I'm gonna try it again. Yung last ko is parang elementary pa ata ako. Pero yung matcha yung order ko. Grabe, yummy. Must try. Matchang matcha. Okay. Hindi na vlog kanina. Pero anyway, claim ang mga na-grocery. 2 cart pa. Welcome to Baga, Manila. Yeah! Perfect! Ang galing, nice timing. We have seafood, different kinds of cuisine. Hanggang kabila pa pala. Wait, I wanna try this sugar cane. Especially yung mga nasa YouTube videos. Blockbuster ang bibingka. Meanwhile, tanghulo. Next is Turkish food.
Yeah. Masarap yan. Turkish food.
breakfast. Let's eat. We're now at Greenwich. We also bought a kimchi and milk tea. Yummers. Darius. Ano, how much?
14997.
Oh, not bad. Biggest.
Hindi, kasali pa to.
Kasali?
Kuya,
Parang hiwalay pa.
hiwalay po ba ito?
Maganda rin yung isa. Finally, nakapag-siomay din. Last time walang stock. Yummer. Ordered again. Guys, ang cute. Machi. Ganda no. Yeah, transaction successful. 24 chicken again. Yum. We're done for today. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.